Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, guys, let's try to learn another ways how to copying area of our image that the area will modify the image. Okay, let's try this. The image I will modify this area to with this C. Yeah, I have idea how to create, but we not use clone stamp. Yeah, another way we can make a new layer, but first we must change this layer, yeah, to layer. Double click this layer and we have new layer, and now we can edit this area. Okay, I will use some tool. Okay, I use guideline. Yeah, maybe here I use guideline, maybe here. Okay, look. Okay, maybe this. Yeah, I want to make a selection on this area. Okay. Let's try. First I use polygonal lasso tool. Take this. Yeah, okay, be careful, slow. We will have the result clearly and neatly. Oh, sorry, maybe wrong selection. Okay, slow. Okay, we will get the neatly result and clearly. Okay, just tick. Okay, this the selection of area. Now we can create new layer. Yeah, here we can drop the color maybe, yeah, but next we will use this. Yeah, we will use this to select another area on side. Yeah, on other side. Okay, let's try this. The area you can use here or you use here. Okay, let's try. I select use magic wand tool, click. Yeah, but I choose this layer 0. Yeah, choose layer 0. We'll see. Okay, this is the area. I want to copy this area. We can copy this layer on this area, but now I create new layer and then paste the copy on there. Okay, let's see. Maybe this. Okay, voice change, it's gray. Yeah, it's gray, layer gray, layer gray. That's layer copy. Okay, I will try to change. Okay, this layer copy ya, copy, layer copy. Okay, layer copy this ya. Okay, I invisible this layer. Now I want to use this ya, take it, see. Okay, if we want if we okay, if we not sure about this, yeah, we can modify again. Okay, we can modify again, but now I will try to change maybe like this. Okay, bit. Okay, okay, check, maybe not neatly. Nah, it's okay. Okay, yeah, let's try to modify. I use blur tool. Okay, take a look on layer copy. Okay, that's it. Okay, just the need, yeah. Okay, I know this area. Okay, slow, yeah, perfect. Okay, this, okay, now it's an amazing application, I think. Okay, take this slow, we can get the neat result and clearly, yeah. Okay, be careful. Okay, okay, Control 0. What do you think? I think it's amazing. All of you can follow my step to edit your image, your photo, and so on. Yeah, after this step, you can save to maybe JPEG, yeah, or take a raw file, maybe, yeah, PSD. Maybe we can drop any object here and or something. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.